In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI for beginners. If you've ever wanted to maximize the efficiency of your meetings or wish you had a way to easily transcribe audio files, Otter AI might be the perfect tool for you. Let's dive into the basic steps to get started. First, let's head over to Otter.ai, which is known as Otter Voice Meeting Notes. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL otter.ai. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean and intuitive interface. Otter AI provides users with a comprehensive experience, allowing you to seamlessly transcribe and organize spoken words into text. Whether you're a student looking to transcribe lectures or a professional aiming to capture key points in meetings, Otter AI makes it easy. Now that we're on the Otter homepage, the next thing to do is look for the Browse Files option. Clicking on Browse Files allows you to upload an audio or video file from your computer that you need transcribed. This step is crucial if you have recorded content that needs to be transformed into written text. Be sure you have the file already saved on your device for a smooth process. For those who frequently need this service, keeping your files organized in folders can save you time during uploads. Selecting Browse Files opens a window where you can navigate through your computer's directories to find what you need. Once you've located your file, simply select it and confirm, so Otter AI can start doing its magic. After your file is uploaded, the transcription process begins. Depending on the length and quality of your audio, this might take a little while. I've found that clear audio results in more accurate transcriptions, so always aim to have quality recordings. You'll notice a notification or prompt once the transcription is ready. Our next step is to click on View Video Transcribe. This is where you'll be able to see the transcript generated from your file. This section not only shows the transcription, but often provides options for editing and organizing the text. If there are errors or sections you'd like to tweak, this is your chance to edit before saving or sharing the file. The user interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it straightforward even for beginners to start working right away. Before we wrap up, remember that Otter AI also offers collaboration features, enabling you to share your transcriptions with team members or classmates easily. And that's it! You've just learned the foundational steps to using Otter AI as a beginner. By taking advantage of this tool, you can save time, improve accuracy in capturing spoken information, and boost productivity in your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing!